This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Mike Smith. 3-bedroom, 1-bath, 1.5-story near Locust Run in Thompsontown. Newer roof, replacement windows, hardwood floors throughout. Oil-forced warm air furnace. Propane wall heater and extra line run to dining room for supplemental heat. Full basement that does include a wood stove. 0.33 acre lot with a 2-car garage and numerous outbuildings for storing toys. Nice valley views. Septic tank needs upgraded and replaced among some other repairs. Cash buyers only. For more information, review the details below or contact Mike Smith at 717-436-8200.